What is up, good people? Jungle Link here. Hope you're doing well. Don't know if you saw on Twitter the video I did, but wild story. Someone sent 26.9 Bitcoin to Satoshi's Genesis wallet, essentially burning $1.2 million. Now, I heard this story circulating on Twitter, and I thought, it's made up. Someone's full of it. But I came over to Satoshi's Genesis wallet here, where he mined the original 50 Bitcoin that can never be spent. Those are locked in this wallet forever. And here's a transaction someone sent to this wallet 26.9 Bitcoin. Makes me wonder, was it a mistake? Is it a joke? Like, what is going on here? Because this isn't like a couple bucks. And we see a lot of transactions here. People do send that wallet, a couple cents, couple bucks here and there. But this was a massive one. What is going on? Hopefully, you find out who actually sent that and why. Why would someone send $1 million essentially to a black hole? Pretty crazy situation there. Eleanor Terrett with breaking news here. Following a quarterly rebalance, Grayscale has now added back XRP to its digital large cap fund. And, XRP is a large cap crypto, one of the top in the world. Of course, it's going to be added. It has legal clarity now. So we knew that was going to happen. Going forward, you're going to see ETF products like this too. Ones that let you get exposure to a variety of large cap cryptos or layer one smart contracts or DApps. This will be the future. Now, don't mistake me here. This is not an ETF. This is just one of their funds. But you'll see ETFs like this. The broader crypto market will get exposure through ETFs and a lot of extra money flowing in as we continue. And someday we'll have an XRP exclusive ETF. You can bank on that. John Deaton saying the following: on behalf of myself, the Deaton Law Firm, and Crypto Law US, I hereby declare Fox business journalist Ellie Terrett as Crypto Journalist of the Year. I believe she proved herself in 2023 and is killing it to begin 2024. I was hard on Eleanor when she first kind of broke onto the scene. She covered a story about, XRP buyback, things like that. But I got to tell you, I was wrong. She's great. She's doing great work out there with the XRP stuff and the crypto reporting. She's one of the best sources out there, and I think she really deserved this. So great for John for naming her Crypto Journalist of the Year, because she's done a great job, and I think she'll continue to become a force in this space as we move through 2024. Now, I've said before, we're seeing this pivot from the Federal Reserve starting to bring down interest rates, and the reason for that is there's a lot of problems out there. Look at this. This is shocking. CalSTRS seeking to borrow more than $30 billion to manage cash. They're short on money, and they don't want to sell what they say their assets at bargain basement prices. And it makes me wonder, what the heck are they holding in their portfolios? I mean, most things are ripping up towards all-time highs, like your simplest thing out there, S&P 500, just killing it there. You have bonds paying huge yield right now. Like, how the heck are they in this kind of problem in this environment? And who's going to loan CalSTRS, the California State Teachers Retirement System, $30 billion in this environment, knowing it may get a heck of a lot worse? And we know at some point, of course, there'll be a bear market. How would they ever pay you back? This is wild. And I'm not sure exactly if they're just in long holding bonds, and because the rates have come down, there's not a lot of value there. I don't know what's going on with CalSTRS, but this is just one example of, we think, hey, everything's great and we're cruising along. And there's a lot of people out there, big time pension funds, endowment funds, huge hedge funds, banks, commercial real estate. There's a lot of people that are on the brink right now. And if someone craters, it's going to be a big, big problem. Bitcoin Magazine reporting that BlackRock now has more than $2 billion lined up in a week one for incremental flows from existing Bitcoin holders that want to add to their position. Now, that doesn't mean all that money is going to come ripping onto the market and send Bitcoin to the moon, but it seems like there's a lot of demand here. And we kind of knew that because it was this big push. BlackRock, Fidelity, VanEck, they're not doing this because they're guessing. Like, they know there's demand there. And I think it's going to grow a lot over the next 12 and 24 months, and especially as they start, expanding to the broader crypto market. This is going to be a wild time. Whether you hold Bitcoin or not, understand the historical significance of this moment, as Bitcoin is really going to pull the whole asset class into the modern era of finance. Big, big moment, regardless of what the initial price action is. When this thing is finally approved, I look forward to happen next week. Only time will tell. Don't count your chickens before they're hatched. We are dealing with the SEC. but this sure seems like a done deal. Lastly, Coinbase, they are pivoting to a big acquisition in the EU, which is going to allow them to launch crypto derivatives. Globally, that's where a lot of our trading within cryptocurrencies happens, on these derivative marketplaces. Roughly 75% of overall crypto trading volume happens with derivatives. So Coinbase looking to really expand into Europe and become a force there. They're already big here in the United States, and this is another big move. And I think you're going to see this massive growth globally for big-time players within cryptocurrencies. We got the Ridge wallet, my newest affiliate. Links down below if you want to pick yourself up a wallet. I use Ridge, really like them. They're this minimalist wallet. Check them out, see if it's your kind of thing. Let me know what you think down below. And as always, please like, please subscribe. The revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.